Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find the fuses for the ABS traction control, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You may have multiple fuses, so make sure to stand till the end and we'll explain why it's super important to actually test the fuses and not just to think that you have a good fuse. Or in some cases you may look at it through the glass, say okay, it's a good fuse, I'm fine, then you spend money, time to fix the problem when all you had to do test the fuse and find out actually that it is a bad fuse, guys. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. This specifically is a 2018 Dodge Challenger. This is the SXT, guys, but SXT, yes. But even if you have a V6, V8 engine, it will be about the same for multiple years and generations. So let me get something to point with. And when we open the hood now, okay, right here, this is our fuse box. That fuse box you need to squish on each side, and when you do that, it opens up. You twist it that way, and if you put it like that, okay, you will notice that the fuse numbers here and the layout will correspond to what we have specifically here. Now we will explain about multiple fuses that are actually for the ABS and traction control, and one of those, guys, okay, will be fuse number 5. So if you come from left to right, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, you go to right here, it will be this fuse, okay, that you need to number 4, this fuse right here, 1 2 3 4. It's fuse number 5, but you start, the first fuse is known as fuse number 2 3 4 5. So that fuse is for ABS and traction control. Then you have one more fuse that you need to check, fuse number 6, that one here as well. These two fuses so far. Also you have two fuses that are known as the relay fuses for the ABS and traction control, and if you come on the very right side, this is known as fuse number 39. This fuse here, okay, that's super important, guys. Okay, check this one out as well. This is a 10 amp fuse, and then you have one more fuse that you need to check, guys, which will be fuse number 36. So if you start here 39, 38, 37, then you go to fuse number 36. I'm talking about that fuse right here. That's the one that you need to check. So all these 4 fuses can be for the ABS and traction control. Now, why it's important to test your fuses? Because sometimes you may think that you see through the glass if it's good or bad. Sometimes you cannot tell. So if that happens, what will you will just spend time and money to fix a problem, when all you have to do, guys, test the fuse. We'll put a link to a special video that will explain how to test a car fuse and a relay in just a couple minutes, so you know how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.